Welcome to another episode of SureShade University, where in this episode we're going to be talking about replacing your canvas with a new one or taking the canvas off to inspect the roller. So once you have it down and on the workbench, it's very important that when you operate it, you don't just grab the canvas and pull it off the roller. What you want to do is you want to take the canvas off the roller like this by holding the roller from turning. Okay, so in this case we have what we call a straight roller, and it's just the aluminum tube. And yes, all it's going to have is Phillips head screws in the positions holding the canvas on. That's perfectly normal. It doesn't require washers. Once you take this off, you punch your holes, put your new canvas on, just make sure you have equal spacing on both sides. Reattach your screws. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pick up your roller, and then you're just going to put your canvas back on the same way you took it off by holding the roller from turning. Just try and get it on as tight as you can. Okay, now the way Joe and I are holding this roller is the way it should be on the boat, which is with this end facing aft up top, okay? This is the right side, Joe has the left side or starboard and port. So as you can see, the canvas is hanging on the back of the roller. How you would tension this roller is by turning it this way. So you would turn the roller, one turn for every foot of extension. This being a 5 foot, you would turn it 5 times. Joe and I are just going to demonstrate that. Now when you have a little bit of tension on it, if you let it slip through your hands, it should roll back the other way, and that tells you that your springs are good. Okay? So then just hang it back on the same way you took it off, tension your roller, zip it back up, and you should be good to go. If you have any more questions, feel free to give us a call, or you can visit us at sureshade.com/service. Thank you and have a good day.